to my channel. If you're a new subscriber, thank you so much for being here. If you just stopped by for the first time, I hope you enjoyed this video, that you can give me a thumbs up. And if you would like to see more of my videos, I hope you subscribe. And if you're not a new subscriber, hi, how are you? Thank you so much for being here with me. One more video. Today I'm planning the month of November in my Hobonichi Weeks. This is a kit from my shop. In case you don't know me, my name is Sannia and I'm the owner of the sticker shop Lil Annabelle's Plans. And this is our kit that we have available for Hobonichi Weeks, the month of November. It will be available until November 8th. I do have a coupon code for all my YouTuber friends, and it's the one that I'm just showing you right now. As well, I have the link of my shop and all my social media. I have Instagram and we have a Facebook group where we share every month a digital freebie. So yes, this is the Hobonichi that I use for my on the go. I just put everything that I need to do outside, and since my work is at home because my shop is here in my house, I don't tend to write as many things as another person can do, but I still love the planner. It is an amazing planner and I enjoy my time with it. If you see my latest video about the print expressions, that's gonna be my new on-the-go planner for 2020. As soon as I finish this on December, I will be moving to the PP Weeks and I'm excited about that. Now, talking about my spread, I started placing the November month, the days of the week, and the dates. It comes on strips. The way that I designed my kits for the Hobonichi and for most of my kits, it's a monthly layout. I try to cover all the boxes that belongs from a previous month or the next month, and that's what you will be seeing me putting right now. I'm just showing you right there that my boxes, it's like a sequence on that area, and I just put it together so you can see that even though that is cut, it looks like a sequence. And if you are new to my channel and you don't know about our shop, we are a hand-run shop. I do most of my designs. My husband helps me with some of the characters, but yeah, most of them are made by me. I've been on my shop for almost 2 years and I love it. I love it so much. Now I'm finishing placing the bottom washi, and as you can see, it's like a pumpkins patch with some lines, and it goes perfectly with all of our icons that we have in our shop. I tend to choose a color palette each season, and I made all of my stickers around those palettes, as well as kits and monthly, so you can get the whole collection and decor your planners for the season with the same colors. Now I'm just putting some things that it will be important on that month, like the payday on Thursday, Thanksgiving on the last Thursday, and Black Friday, and the birthday that I put on November 11 is my daughter's 6th birthday. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited for my daughter's 6th birthday. We have something planned out. She decided already what she wants to do on her birthday. We have some family that is coming. So yeah, it's gonna be so much fun November. I'm just showing you right now the leftovers that I have. Like I mentioned, since I don't write, I use a few just to show you how it looks. If you like this video, I would love you to give me a thumbs up. Please consider to subscribe. I think it looks so cute, but I would love to connect with you. Leave me a comment and let me know what you think. Now I'm placing my Hobonichi in my beautiful pouch that my mom made for me. Thank you so much. I will see you next time. Bye.